Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to scroll down on MacBook. If you recently switched to a MacBook and you are confused about how scrolling works, don't worry, you are not alone. A lot of Windows users get confused because MacBooks use a different scrolling site by default. So let's get started. The easiest and common way to scroll down on a MacBook is by using the trackpad. Place two fingers on the trackpad and swipe upward gently, like this. Yes, upward. This might feel opposite if you came from Windows, but on MacBook, Apple uses something called natural scrolling. It works like moving a page with your fingers, similar to a smartphone screen. So swipe up with two fingers to move down and page. Swipe up with two fingers to move back up. You can try this right now in Safari, Google Chrome or any PDF or any web pages. The scrolling on MacBook is usually very smooth and responsive. Now if the scrolling feels backward to you, don't worry, you can easily change it. Click on this Apple logo first. Now go on System Preferences. Now you can see here Trackpad. Go to Trackpad. Now on this category option, click on Scroll and Zoom. Look for the option called Natural Scrolling. Here you can see Scroll Direction Natural. If the option is on, scrolling works the Apple way. If option is off, the scrolling works more like Windows laptop. Just off this. Then open the PDF again. Now as you can see, if I swipe up with two fingers upward, it is moving to the page number 1. If I use is downward, it is now going to the last page of the PDF. So that's how you can change the direction from this trackpad option. So just toggle it based on your preference. A lot of new Mac users turn it off at first, but after a few days, many people actually get used to Apple's natural scrolling. Now, if you see an external mouse with your MacBook, scrolling is even easier. Simply use the mouse wheel or the touch surface if you have an Apple Magic Mouse. If the mouse scroll direction feels wrong, again open System Preferences. Now this time you have to go on Mouse. Go to Mouse. Keep in mind, trackpad and mouse scrolling settings can sometimes behave separately depending on your macOS version. In my macOS version, I have macOS Monterey, so I cannot change the scrolling setting on my Mac. I can just change the tracking speed to fast and slow, and I can change the double click speed as well, fast and slow, and I can choose the primary mouse button, left or right. Okay. You can also scroll down without using the trackpad or mouse. Yes, here are some useful keyboard shortcuts I am going to tell you in this PDF. Press spacebar down on full page. As you can see here, it is going downwards. Press spacebar and shift to scroll up. As you can see. Now press FN plus down arrow key to page down. FN and down arrow key. As you can see, it is moving very fast. Now press FN and upward to go upward. As you can see, page up. Now press Command plus down arrow to jump to bottom of document or web page. Command then up arrow. To down arrow to go downward and up arrow for upward. You can see here. These shortcuts are super useful when reading long articles or documents. Now, if scrolling is not working properly, try these quick fixes. First, restart your Mac. Sometimes a simple restart fixes temporary glitches. Second, clean the trackpad. Dust or moisture can affect trackpad gestures. Third, check trackpad settings. Go to System Settings. Now again go on Trackpad. And make sure scrolling gestures are enabled. Update your macOS. Updated software can sometimes cause trackpad problems. So that's how to scroll down on a MacBook. You can use the trackpad, a mouse or keyboard shortcuts, and you can even customize the scrolling direction however you like. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more MacBook tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.